understand. What did I say to you? I told you, somebody wants to talk. Whoever it is a professional. That's all I know. These guys are pro. They come from higher. I don't know who they are, where they come from. If I knew, I would tell you.
Harold just got put back on the streets, saying this massacre that
I don't know, man.
You really think Harold's smart enough to cover up his tracks?
maybe not. You think Charles Grasso is?
はーい。
What about the principal of that school? Sweeney? Maybe Grasso out of picked right?
What, as a pedo?
We don't even know if it's just one guy yet. It could be a team. We don't have any DNA. We don't have a description. We don't have a pattern.
You know, I've got ears like an elephant. I couldn't help but overhear what y'all talking about. And, you know, I think you're partially right. The thing in business, there's always a pattern. People work in their comfort zones, and the way they work kind of defines the way they think and the way they act. If you look deep enough, put your mind in their mind, you can always kind of decipher the pattern, no matter how obscure it is. But anyway, Julia and Sarah, why don't you guys go talk to the principal? He might be the suspect, he might not. But Grasso's right. He is a bad guy. And the smoking.